Artificial intelligence. What a trendy topic these days, and an interesting one to talk about. In the simplest terms, AI refers to the systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can improve themselves based on the information they collect. So AI is capable of acting like a human, learn like a human, decide like a human, and do pretty much anything like a human, but 10 times better. But before, AI models are trained using vast volumes of data, which gives them the ability to make intelligent decisions. AI is found in numerous applications these days, and we all know some, like voice assistants, Face ID on phones, fraud detection, manufacturing and production, like self-driving cars, human resources, like scanning and reading the resume of the candidate, in social media also, like Instagram uses AI, which considers your likes and who you follow to determine what to display in your Explore page. See, AI is everywhere, and we will talk about this in depth later on. But AI is used to help humans, right? These machines are built with complex algorithms and mathematical functions to operate. Also, if you didn't know, AI has three different skills: learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Let us start with the first one. Let us say you've built an AI machine and dropped it in the real world. What this AI should do is start gathering information and learn from what it gathers to start operating in the new environment. This is learning. Next, AI is in front of a situation. Either it goes to the right side, which there is a cliff, or to the left side, which there is a normal road. AI needs to decide which path to go. This is reasoning. At last we have problem solving, where AI will find a solution to a problem. Like, the AI machine encounters a problem, which is passing through water and it can't swim. But it found a solution that in 60 meters, there's a small bridge where it can cross over the water. This is problem solving. We can say that AI provides machines a brain to think and operate. Now let's talk about the two types of AI. There's weak AI and strong AI. Let's start with the weak AI. Weak AI is a system that is trained and designed to do a specific task, which is an AI that can't work without human intervention. Let us say Cortana is a weak AI. It can't work without the human intervention. So you will ask Cortana to do something for you, like Cortana, set a timer of 15 seconds.
I'm starting your timer for 15 seconds.
So weak AI focuses on automating specific tasks. But what about strong AI? Strong AI is capable of learning and thinking like a human. Unlike weak AI, strong AI is able to do multiple tasks together and doesn't require human intervention. Like a self-driving car is an example of strong AI. Using computer vision, deep learning, sensors, radars, and complex algorithms to operate a vehicle safely and avoid obstacles like walls, pedestrians without human intervention. Now you may wonder, what's the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? Machine learning gives the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed, so it allows machines to learn from experiences and data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the learning process of the human brain. Now, how can AI benefit humanity? When I say benefit humanity, that means in terms of business, health, lifestyle, education, and more. AI in e-commerce. Example, fraud prevention, like credit card frauds and fake reviews. Well, why fake reviews? Because some customers looks at reviews to decide to buy the product or not. So AI can reduce these issues. AI in education. Example, automated tasks for educators, like messaging specific students, grading paperwork, courses, and more. Voice assistants, like this student, instead of printing a handbook to read, can now go ahead and use audiobooks. AI in our lifestyle. Example, autonomous vehicles, like Tesla, which uses machine learning to train computers to think like humans when it comes to driving and detecting objects and avoiding crashes. Also, spam filters. We all know about spam emails, right? AI can go ahead and filter them out for you and store them in a spam folder. Also, facial recognition. This is available in your iPhone or Android. So instead of always typing down the password, you use the Face ID option, which uses a combination of light projectors and sensors to take several images of your facial features. AI in robotics. Well, some robots uses AI to sense obstacles in its path, and they can be used in carrying goods in factories, hospitals, and warehouses. AI in social media, like Instagram, which considers your likes and who you follow to determine what to display for you in the Explore page. Not to forget, Facebook's AI tool, Deep Text, which can be used for language translation and solve unstructured data. And AI is everywhere in life. And who knows how AI will evolve from now on. All we can do is sit back and watch the evolution of AI. Now that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more tech-related videos. Also, if you want to benefit from AI, make sure to check out this video, where I cover 6 different websites powered by AI. Or maybe you want to learn a new skill, like building and designing your own website. All this is done by learning HTML and CSS. So if you want to start, you're in the right place. Check out my HTML and CSS tutorial playlist for beginners.